Hey, yo, 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 yo. Happening, boyos. Wow, that difference is huge. Hi, Vi, that was rapid. That was so quick. I started the stream 2 minutes ago. Mashallah, you're already here. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Let's have a quick look across the VIX. VIX is still up in high 20s. That is good, man. You're very, very prompt.
Welcome to Stratton Oakmont.
You're very prompt. It's a good thing. So VIX is still up in the mid 20s. Is down from 30, but mid 20s is still high. I hate when I get dust on my glasses. It's so annoying. Anyway, indices up a tiny bit. What's UK gas? Still relatively high on UK gas. Brent still above 100. Crude's 90. Bitcoin sat at 70. Okay. Gold 4,400. Silver 69. Okay, that's interesting. Right, let's try to do a quick analysis. This is on the market and see what the hell is going on. I think this is gonna go over to New York session because it's so far away. Same with GU, so far away, going over to New York session. Did you see where Trump yesterday started to manipulate the market by doing crazy things and saying crazy things? That's probably going over to about 3 o'clock as well, in all honesty. That can stay. This we can do on Asia low. We've just taken Asia high, and then we've just taken Asia high here. I'm hoping we can go long. So we've just made Frankfurt high. I want to see price come down, take Asia low, and then hopefully push up, because any pit move in it. Come to around Asia midline then. So from the high to the midline about 20, so about 18 to 24 pips, and then from this level look to go long. Might be a good idea. So that would mean this is an invalid zone. That would make sense to me. We could short, actually. We could take a short on the way down, but I might be late for that. Got a lot of news today as well, Vi. A lot of news today. Ooh, I like this. Oh shit. I'm gonna wait for price to come down on the M5 chart, and then I'm gonna look for going long. Did you trade yesterday, Vi, or not? Because yesterday the market was a bit mad, you know, when Trump started talking crazy things and trying to manipulate oil and stuff.
China's Wang Wentao meets US-China Business Council delegation.
Was there even an entry after taking this low? There was an entry, but it was literally 20 past. 2.7 and 3.7. Oh, that would have been close on 3.7. Yeah, I'd have been close. As long as there was no spread, it would have been okay. But the issue was, it broke structure, and in 2 minutes, 1 minute it tagged it.
Commerce Minister calls for stable US
Tagged it in 1 minute, which is very annoying. And then you wouldn't get partials there, but you might get partials on the failure of that zone. 28, yeah, 30, 31. You might have got partials on there if it does continue to push from that level. I'm just gonna try to look at this here and see. Yeah, I think buys are the way to go on UJ. Oh, Euro came down already. The Euros come to the midline. What's it gonna do? On GJ looks good because it looks like you got a little build up here, drop down, and then you can target the high. But I don't know if I'm gonna get structure that's gonna let me get into there. Come on, what are we doing then? We got Frankfurt low here, and then we're gonna probably go high to go low. Whereas we're gonna go low to go high. Interesting. So it's looking like dollar might keep falling off, but I don't get it because Trump was lying about a lot of things. So I'm just a bit like, what? What? Just looking at financial juices news to find out what the West is reporting. Cause they made statements of the Pentagon, boots on the ground, Supreme Leader, military advisor continues, war continues until all sanctions are lifted. This is beautiful. Netanyahu is concerned about reaching a possibility of America reaching a deal with Iran. Israeli media, that's hilarious. Then you've got White House considers Iran's parliament speaker as potential US-backed leader. What? Gas companies, offices, gas pressure reduction stations damaged in Iran's attack in city of Isfahan. Okay, that's bad. US and Israel carried out 2 strikes on 2 energy infrastructures. They are so dumb. World Gold Council additional central banks to purchase gold this year. Okay, that's about it. Right, so in terms of news, we got a lot of news because it's PMI day, I think. So we've got French PMI at 8:15, sorry, then German at 8:30, 9 euro, 9:30 UK. So want to be in a trade in the next 5-10 minutes, man. Otherwise it's gonna be hard to get into anything clean, because then you're gonna suffer with being on the 5 minutes of either side of a news event without breaking the news rule with most prop firms. So it's gonna be tricky. And even though I'm on challenge phase, it doesn't really matter. I still have to follow all the rules. Otherwise, what's the point of getting funded with no rules and then you can't follow the rules anyway? It's a bit dumb. So yeah, go on M1. There's no clean entry on M1 for EU/GU longs. I wanted a deeper pullback as well. I'm hoping that we tag into this zone now, we come down, take the low that we just made, and then around London Open we start to get the push higher for EU and GU. And then feeling sleepy watching chart. Have you not slept? Have you not slept, Vi? Also, how's your accounts? Did you trade yesterday or not? Because yesterday there was bare rola rupa in the market. So much happened yesterday. I did. Oh, did you? Good trades, bad trades, what happened? (17th of March). Yeah, it's fine, bro. Don't rush, don't rush. Remember, these markets are crazy right now, bro. Crazy right now. So many people are failing blowing accounts. If you're not blowing accounts and failing, you're doing better than most, you know what I mean? So it's good. Just kind of be patient in it. Okay, we've come back down to the midline. We could consider going long here on UJ temporarily. That would be a temporary long. Come on, let's see what's gonna happen. After that, no, I'm also doing this course, so sometimes I forgot to watch. I only trade 4-hour candle close. Yeah, that's fine, bro. There's no rush. Okay, price is tagged into the invalid zone given a bearish candle, and now I want it to come down, take out this low. So that's 64. Let's just do 60 here, and then that is 64 also. That's weird. And then we'll do 60 here. So I would like price to come down, take out these lows near London Open, and then start to push higher. But the problem is we're so close to that. I don't know if I'm going to get an entry in a 9-pip range, if that makes sense. I don't think I'll catch an entry in a 15-pip range either. Unless it come down here. Yeah, what some guy topped at funding pips. He had account for 900 days, lost 3 days ago due to wrong size in gold, and gold got volatile. Yeah, exactly. I know. This is what I'm trying to say. My goal, yeah, basically, Vi, is to never blow an account, because, like, you know, ultimately, we don't want to stay with prop firms, do we? Because you know how prop firms, they change the rules, they close down, they become difficult and stuff like that, yeah? So ultimately, the goal is to get your own personal account. And for me, my mentality is that I want to get my own personal account with confidence that I'm never going to blow the account, if that makes sense. So if I can do that with prop firms, yeah, and get payouts and get payouts and get payouts and never blow a prop firm, which is a 10% max drawdown or an 8% max drawdown, on a 100% account, I would never blow it, if you know what I'm trying to say, because the risk would be like 1, 2, 3, 4% max. You see what I'm trying to say? So because of that, for me, the most important thing is like just preserving the account and protecting the account. Because so many prop firm traders, when they go from prop to personal, bro, they blow account and they blow account and they blow account, and it's their own money. 10 grand account, 20 grand account, 30 grand account. I don't know if anyone's dumb enough to risk a 50k account, but maybe there is some lulu out there who does risk a 50k account. You know what I mean? It's possible. There is some idiot traders. But I imagine loads blow 5k accounts, 10k accounts. I imagine loads of them do. Because they probably get like 50k payouts, 100k payouts. Took in a personal account, think, yeah bro, I'm gonna full put 10% on here, and then I make the account back, get 5, 6, 7, 8 losses, and then blow the account. And it's all that, like the full 10k is gone, like their own money, like 10k. That's a lot. That's what I think will happen. That's a really amazing goal. Mine is the same, but I don't feel safe with personal account. I want to get max allocated with all firms, then preserve account, and then start new business. You can't start a new business with prop firm accounts. That's too risky. That's not a good idea. Because then one account might shut down, another account might shut down, another account might change the rules, another account might breach you for rules, and you can just, honestly bro, you can get banned by 3 companies like that. By the click of your finger, bro, you can get banned by 2-3 companies easily. That's why for me, like different business marketing agency, yeah, that's interesting. For me, like the goal is to get obviously 1 million challenges, but now I've changed the goal. Keep the challenges I've got is the goal now. I've changed it. I'm just trying to not lose accounts now. And then the goal is to just stay with as many firms as I can, which I'm already with like 5 or 6 different firms. That's diverse enough for me already. So now it's just now need to do my last goal, which is building my personal account. In this year, end of this year, I want my account to be around 5 to 10k personal account. If I do more than 5 to 10k my personal account, I'll be so happy with that, because I've already ticked 2 out of 3 of the targets, because I'm not going to blow any more accounts. Come on, let's be honest. 2 years I've been trading, or 2 calendar years, and I haven't blown a single account. That's amazing. Obviously I've done like the free accounts, or full ported a free account and stuff like that, but who cares bro, they're free accounts. And that consistency rule, I don't trade consistency. That's not even blowing an account, because I'm just like, yeah, whatever, send it, you know. Price is a little range bound right now, isn't it? Marketing is a good idea though. Marketing agency is a really good idea. Anything marketing is a good idea these days, because there's a lot of scammers, so you can just give your work to the scammers and be like their marketer. What else is there? I think food's a good industry as well. Marketing and food, but obviously for food you need like good service, bro. Even with manually placing trades, I will get banned, like if I'm trading with 15 accounts from different prop firm. The issue is, yeah, that it depends how you trade. With me, I look for the prop firm with the worst rules I have from all my accounts, and I trade all of them in the same way. Does that make sense? If all my accounts are free and one says you have to have SL, you have to have this, you have to have that, I'll trade with the hard rules on all the accounts, if you get what I mean. But you have to keep looking at the rules, and make sure there's no update where they try to confuse you. Like, it's a lot of work, bro. That's why I don't want to do more than 5 or 6 firms I'm already with, because it's too difficult. You keep an eye on all the different firms and all the different rules and stuff like that. You have to check like every day, bro, because they could make a new update on news, yeah, the day after you take a trade, and then you don't check the Discord, and the next day you take a trade and you blew the account. So you have to check like every day. That's the only reason why I'm in the Discord for half of these prop firms. Otherwise I wouldn't be in the Discord. Because I always have my notifications on for like announcements and news and announcements and stuff. Yo, Mangi, welcome. Karibu Ndugu.
Welcome to Stratton Oakmont.
I trade same across all accounts. My plan with the consistency account is just keep trading, but I hate consistency account. Yeah, they're good if you have high trading frequency and lower risk reward, but you trade more the same way I do. Like your trading's more high risk reward, which is a bit more annoying, and your trade frequency might not be so high. You know what I mean? So it's the same problem I have, which is not good for consistency. Hello Mangi, morning man, how you doing my bro? I hate news trading cause I hold for one day normally, and sometimes trade closes at high impact. Yeah, because if you're on the 4 hour and you're targeting like a 1 to 3, 1 to 4 or a 1 to 1, with the news it might push you to TP. But what you can do is set an alert at your TP. Don't have TP set, but like just set an alert that don't have your TP set. When the alert triggers, check if there's any news. If there's news, don't close the trade, wait 5-10 minutes, then close the trade. If there's no news, close the trade. You can do that instead. Just set an alert on your phone or set an alert on TradingView. That's a good way around it, Vi. Vangi, you looking at anything? Also, Vangi, did you see what Trump did yesterday? He manipulated the market so heavily that I couldn't help but laugh at all the Americans. Like, yo, what the hell? He did king tail manipulation. That'd be the best that'd be the best idea for you, Vi. When you set TP and stuff, just set it with the alert instead of an actual TP, and when price gets there, done. And don't do TP exactly at 4R. Like you can have it like 3.7, 3.8, 4.1, 4.2, like. Oh my God. I can't find that meme on here, bro. I'll have to find it and then record it. Yeah, I'll have to find it on here. Oh my God. He manipulate the market so good, bro. Yeah. I think, you know, because the Americans are struggling with the oil costs, and a lot of them are kicking off about the fuel cost. I think that's why he did it. It helped like just drop oil a bit by like 5% or something, but it's not gonna make a big difference, because if oil's up like 150% or 100%, what does you dropping it by 5-10% really do? It doesn't make a difference. I don't know, unless I read an article or like a statement that someone said, just a random person, yeah, they said something like, I wouldn't be surprised if Trump's friends and families wanted another trade on oil and Trump gave him a 5% discount. I was like, oh my God. That is believable. Top 5. Funded next for sure. FX2 funding's really good. Alpha Capital Group's quite good. FTMO, of course, amazing. funding. The ACG, EA, funded next, FTMO, FX2, and then funding pips, but I can't trade funding pips because they don't have trade copy unless it's their own account, which is useless to me. They're the only ones I'd stick with, bro, because their rules are so open and flexible, and they still have so many failing traders and still manage to make so much money that you should have no problem with them. And a few of my friends are with them as well. I've got friends with funding pips and they've had loads of payouts. Like one's got like 40-50k in payouts or something. One's had like a 20k payout or a 30k payout and he's had no problems. These are friends that I know. But my personal favorite is probably funded next. They're probably my personal favorites, funded next, just because they pay out within like 1 hour, bro. It's insane. And like they're really good on pricing and stuff like that, like market pricing and stuff. So like my analysis on trading will be very similar to whatever happens on funded next's price, which is good. It's so similar. Okay, market open for London in 30 seconds. We got Frankfurt low right near us, so it makes sense that on UJ price comes down, and then that makes sense that on EUGU price goes up. So I would say if London open takes Frankfurt high and Asia high and EUGU, that gives me a signal that there's a likelihood for a short to come, and that would mean that obviously UJ would come take the low, which makes me think buyers are coming on UJ. GJ, I'm not sure. I mean, actually, it's been showing buys up until Frankfurt open. Has been showing buys. So let's see what happens. Here we go. London open. Some XAU sells coming up. I will have a look in 1 second. What's London gonna do? Let's wait, see what happens in the next 5 minutes. Okay, so GJ's took the low. What? Why? What? Why? What? Why? Wow! I couldn't get my words out. So we've taken this low on London Open. Is that significant? We'll have a look now and see if that's significant or not, or if it's just irrelevant. Ugh. What's good? I kind of want to wait for Frankfurt higher low to fail on UJ. Before I consider anything. Nothing's happened yet. Have to keep waiting. We got news in 12 minutes as well. This is going to be hard. I would like to have been in a trade by now, because we got news at 8:15. Yeah, you can't trade 5 minutes before, 5 minutes after, so you can't take a trade till 8:21, and then you can't take a trade before 8:30 because you've got a news at 8:30 as well. So you've literally got from 8:21 to 8:29, so 8-minute window to take a trade, and that's way too close to a news event that could push the market on euro by like anywhere from 5 to about 11-12 pips on euro. That's kind of the average pip movement on PMI, between like 5 and 11 pips ish on PMI. And then on pound you get about 15-ish pips ish, between like 8 and 15. Okay, it went lower. UJ went down, took the low. It might come take Frankfurt low, then reverse, or it's going to keep coming down. I streamed me playing Ghost of Tsushima yesterday. It was fun. I'm gonna probably do it again today.
At 4:15 a.m. Eastern Time, we get French PMIs. Manufacturing forecast 49.4, prior 50.1. Services forecast 49, prior 49.6. And composite forecast 49.3, prior 49.9.
Yes, Alan, morning. What are you saying, Alan? On the way to it. I literally got 4 more minutes till I can take a trade, or until I can take a trade, yeah. Then we'll have to wait like 15 minutes, and then we got half an hour range zone where we possibly could get something. After this stream, I'll probably do another stream of the game because it's good. I enjoyed it. Bro, there's a mad scene, yeah? I was running through the land, obviously, and there was a river nearby, and there's like hilly mountains and stuff, and there's loads of pink cherry blossom flowers, and bro, it looked sick, bro, in like the broad daylight sunlight thing. I was looking at like, wow, the visuals are absolutely madness. Like, it looked sick. Okay, do you use taking the Frankfurt low? Not really. Structural low. Now let's. The issue is that price is so condensed. I don't really know what to do, and we're 1 minute before news, so I can't trade that. I have to wait. I like where GJ's going. GJ's coming down. I want it to bounce off of the Asia midline and then potentially go long. I like the look of that.
At 4:15 a.m. Eastern Time, we get French PMIs. Manufacturing forecast 49 spot 4, prior 50 spot 1. Services forecast 49, prior 49 spot 6. And composite forecast 49 spot 3, prior 49 spot 9.
Oh, silver just wicked Asia high. But I can't believe it come all the way down to 60, man. Oh my god. That would have been a sick buy. There's 985 pips would have been amazing on silver. I would have fully got in a tiny little 0.01 lot on there. It's crazy that also gold nearly dropped below 4k. What was the dip from the high versus there? $26.75, 27% drop on gold, man. And then a 50% drop on silver. That's mad. That's mad. That's insane. Still no direction yet. News out in 3 minutes. And counting. See what happens then. Just sat waiting, man. Is there any news on X? Let's have a look at X. What newsy news do you have for us? Oh wow, Tel Aviv's getting pummeled for your.
Manufacturing PMI 50 spot 2, 50 spot 2 higher than forecast, 49 spot 4. Composite 48 spot 3, 48 spot 3 lower than forecast, 49 spot 3. And services 48 spot 3, 48 spot 3 lower than forecast at 49.
So French did better, well above 50 on manufacturing, which is okay, but they failed on services, which is not okay. France is not a strong economy, so that's not important. Germany is at 8:30. That's gonna be important. That's 15 minutes. That's gonna be a big one. The German economy is a big part of the euro. What? Yeah, no with the news, to be fair. Nothing new or anything. Just what we already have. Keep waiting then. Bitcoin took these lows. Lower high, lower low, lower high. If I class as a higher low, man. We're a bit chopped here, aren't we? EUG, etc. just consolidating. No movement. The wait now. Yeah, I think everyone's waiting for the news to come out, bro. Well, I think there's a mix of everyone's waiting for news and they don't really know what to do because Trump's talking so much, doing a lot of things where people are probably getting a bit more confused on what's actually going on with the economy because Trump keeps just doing manipulations beyond everyone's comprehension. I might be wrong, but it would make sense. bro. Sit and wait, bro. Sit and wait. What did silver do anything, or is that also, or is silver also basically doing nothing? Euros come took the low. Okay. Now, what I need to know is this actually a sell-off, or is this just a drop before it goes higher? Fake news to manipulation, exactly. I think everyone's trying to figure out what the hell to do with that. Get rid of this.
At 4:30 a.m. Eastern Time, we get German PMIs. Services forecast 52.5, prior 53.5. Manufacturing forecast 49.5, prior 50.9. And composite forecast 52, prior 53.2. Just keep sitting and waiting, bro. Nothing more we can do. What price did you place the limit at? What sort of price? Fill 4443. Got ya. 44443. I'll have a look on the G. Oh, wait a second. Taking out 1, 2, 3 lows here. Is that gonna fuel to the upside now, or is it just like a consolidation that's still occurring or something? 1 second.
So 4443. Oh, right near Asia high. Okay, yeah. What about silver? I thought you were looking at silver as well. News in about 6 minutes. Sirens in Haifa and surrounding areas. Awesome. Iran. Boom, boom, Iran. Boom, boom, aye.
At 4:30 a.m.
Boom,
Eastern time, we
Iran.
get German PMIs.
Boom,
Services
aye.
forecast 52.5, prior 53.5. Manufacturing forecast 49.5, prior 50.9. Composite forecast 52, prior 53.2.
Siren sounding. Whoop, whoop. Boom, 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 boom. Tel Aviv. This sell-off is actually looking quite thingy, bro. It looks like sells are going to be the way, unless we're going to get probably till about 45, like a 30-40 pip move, and then catch a reversal back up. To keep sitting and waiting, man. Nothing. Look, we can't really do anything in this market right now. You know, we just got to sit and wait.
1 minute remaining. I'll lead with German manufacturing PMI. 51.7, 51.7, higher than forecast, 49.5. Composite for 51.9, 51.9, lower than forecast, 52. Services 51.2, 51.2, lower than forecast, 52.5.
Yeah. Gonna do. Are we bias? Gonna be what I want it. Okay, let's see if this is better now. Just a little. Oh, hello. Okay, so I was thinking, yeah, to go long UJ and then short EU and GU. But I need the confirmation obviously in it, so I've not had that yet. So I'm just kind of waiting to find out where it's gonna go. That's pretty much it, to be fair. Yeah, that's pretty much it from me. Nothing more than that. But I'm just waiting for confirmation. I can't seem to get anything yet in it, so I'm just kind of sat waiting really. Wait, what was the news? Wait. Let me check what the news was, man, for Germany. So services was supposed to be forecasted 52.5. We come out 51.2. It's a miss, but I don't mind. It's still above 50. Manufacturing was 49.5. Come out at 51.7. That's really good. Composite 52.2. Come out at 51.9. That's still good. I got euros in manufacturing at 9 o'clock, so you got half an hour to try and catch a trade. Oh yo, what we gonna do? What we gonna do? The GJs kept dropping. That's interesting, and I did say that this move here is quite aggressive. Now we've done since London Open about 40 pip move in 34 minutes. It'd be nice if we start to see some kind of reversal happening here. That'd be ideal. Okay, I like that recovery on GJ. That's looking quite good, you know. Let's see if it's gonna keep going or not. If we start to get price now showing bullish momentum, then I'm gonna consider potentially getting in there. Hopefully it does though, innit? Hopefully. And hopefully it's a big word, to be fair, but let's see. How far from work are you? Did any of you guys watch Yellowstone? Because they made a spin-off of Yellowstone. Don't know if you guys are into that type of stuff or not. But they've made a spin-off of it. What's this sirens sounding across occupied territories following Hezbollah's attacks? Beautiful. Yo, the imagery. Oh, hello. Oh, the imagery. go back to the gonna be late, need extra BTC. What time are you supposed to be there? 9 o'clock? Don't mess around, man, you're gonna get cooked. How far away are you? I don't even know. This guy. Come on, man. Give me some more. Give me some more, please. What other news have we got this week, man? Have you got any other... Nah, we've not. We got gbpcpy, which is gonna be interesting on Wednesday.
Iran's Revolutionary Guards warn Israeli military their troops in the north and Gaza Strip will be targeted without any limit if Israel targets civilians in Palestinian territories and Lebanon, according to IRNA.
Yeah, we've not got anything interesting, to be honest. So with that being said, the last week of the month as well, isn't it? Yes, the last week of the month. Ah, yeah. Last week of the month makes sense.
You're behind the markets. If you're a real day trader, go real time at financialjuice.com/purchase and save 67% on a subscription Let's make a big, beautiful deal, people. Come on.
I don't know how true this is. UAE and Saudi are planning to join war against Iran. Saudi Arabia has begun allowing US forces to use its bases. I don't know how true that is. If they do, I'm happy, because then Iran gets free range to bomb the shit out of the Saudis and Emiratis. Be beautiful. That'd be magnificent. That would be beautiful stuff. I don't know how true that post is. Bro, diesel's $5.34 a gallon. Premium's $4.80 a gallon. Mid-grade is $4.50 a gallon. I want to see all the state prices, man. How do you see all of them? And all. Okay, Bakersfield is 570, diesel 680. Wow. 670 in Chico. Fresno 690, and then regular's 550. This is a gallon. LA is 590 and $7. Wow. Wow. Napa, Oakland. Oakland is what? Yo, Napa is $7.30 a gallon for diesel and $5.90. Whoa, 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 whoa. Americans are getting slapped. I want to have a look at UK prices in a second as well. Oh my god, San Francisco is $7.40 for diesel. What? Regular's $5.90. Oh my god. San Rafael $7.60 and then $6. Oh my god. Santa Cruz, Santa Rosa, Ventura. That's mad. Highest recorded average was back in 2022 for petrol, which was $6.30, and diesel was the same time $7. We're peaking around that level again, which is during COVID, which was a supply transportation issue, coming back towards that level again. That's bad. How much are UK prices? Fuel finder. Perfect. I just want to know the average. Look at London. Hey, our prices have not gone up. I want want like a live chart, man. Petrolprices.com. Look, let's just do DE14. Filter. How much is diesel? The diesel's around 160 to 165, which has gone up quite a bit. Gone up by about 20 pence. Unleaded used to be about 130. Cheapest is 136. Average is about 140. That's not gone up by much. Diesel obviously has gone up by quite a lot, but petrol's gone up by about 10 pence, which isn't really that much. That's where I live. Let's go to London. I bet London's mad. SE something. I don't know. SE1. The lowest was 135. The average seems to be about 143, 144. And then diesel, cheapest was 157. Average seems to be about 165. No, 163, 164 is average. It's gone up by mainly diesel's getting hit. Seems to be a diesel problem. Huh, interesting. Iran's Revolutionary Guard warns Israeli military that troops in the north and the Gaza Strip will be targeted without any limit if Israel targets civilians in Palestine territories and Lebanon. This is amazing. I love that, bro. So the Iranian Revolutionary Guard with the Israeli military warns their troops in the north and Gaza Strip that will be targeted without any limit if the Israeli targets civilians in Palestinian territories and Lebanon. I love them, bro. See how they're saying if you hit civilians, bro, watch what we're gonna do. I love that. I flipping love that. Right, what's 850? Yo. Why have we just had to push there? Did I miss something? I don't know if I did. We're nearly at 9 o'clock. That candle was sick, bro. Look at that. It's an 18 pip candle in 1 minute, bro. Wow. Big candle. Okay, there we go. We've taken Asia low. And we had a how many pip candle on GJ? GJ's 18 pip also. Mad. Covered back quite quickly. Hello, Mohammed. Good morning, good morning. Ya Allah, bye. Ya Allah. Okay, buy a pip. We've took Frankfurt high. I need to see what's gonna happen here.
Welcome to Stratton Oakmont.
I need to see if we're gonna push down from here, or if we're gonna keep going higher and tag into the invalid zone. I'm not sure. What's Bison, GBPUSD and EURUSD? I want to go short, But price is chopping too much.
5 minutes time we get eurozone manufacturing PMI flash.
It's chopping for nearly 1 hour, bro.
Pri 50 spot 8.
From here all the way to here. It's chopping for... It's chopping for 58 minutes and then it started to move. And same with pound, 50 minutes and then it started. No, well, no. Chopping all the way till here. So pound was chopping for 1 hour and 5 minutes before it started to move. Oh, so how do you Haiwan? How do you hooker? Okay. Nigel Farage says Britain should stay out of this war. I agree. Trump appears determined to reach a deal with Iran. 3 senior Israeli officials. That's funny, bro. Trump shitted himself. We can't do the war. We're scared. Sell to buy or buy to sell? Ultimately, the dollar is going to be strong because of the war. So I'm thinking sell, sell, sell. You can do obviously buy to sell. On lower time frame. On higher time frame, I'm not so sure. I'm short at 162.38. Hey, that's good. That's good. That's a good price. They're just above Asia. I would look to target around probably like a 60 pip move or a 50-60 pip move. I'd say around 15666. I'm moving to whoa, wait a second. I'm moving to India for 6 months, boss. Then we'll decide where to move permanently. Why? What's happening there? I thought you hate India. And now you're talking about moving there. That's a mad one, isn't it? What happened? Dad's parents ripped in. They said you have to get married. That's what it was. He has to get married. Then he's like, I'm gonna go to India and then delay the marriage. What happened? Is any racist stuff going on? I've heard about some racist stuff going on over there. Bro, I seen the video of the guys in the mosque here trying to kick out the president. I rate them, you know. They were cool, level-headed guys. Okay, you want to hold till there? Why? I mean, not spitting on him, obviously, but like being against him being there. Mosque is next to my house. Oh shit. Oh, you're gonna be targeted by Israel. You're gonna be targeted by Israel. Like I like the guy you said. I like the guy who said something about honorable president. The guy goes, "Are you dumb? Honorable? He supports Gaza's murder. How can you call him honorable?" And then the speaker's like, "Brother, we must be willing to have a dialogue with the Australian people." He needs someone should slap that guy. He was an idiot. He's giving me pure Sunni vibes, yeah. Ahi, there's a war going on. Listen, is this fate halal? Is this fate halal? Give me one of those types of vibes. Okay, so UJ is going higher. Brilliant. But at the same time, not brilliant because the bloody idiot didn't want me to get in there at all. Thank you, UJ. You are an asshole. You are a literal asshole. Okay, let's just
51 spot 4, 51 spot 4, higher than forecast 49 spot 6, services 50 spot 1, 50 spot 1, lower than forecast 51 spot 1, composite 50 spot 5, 50 spot 5, lower than forecast 51.
That's not bad. Don't go to Indonesia, bro. Indonesia's basically like the Asian version of India and Pakistan. Malaysia's more like advanced, but still similar, if you get me. If you're gonna go anywhere, go to Malaysia. That's probably gonna be your best bet. But for me, the only options are Oman. That's the only place I would go. Honestly, the only place I'd go is to Oman. Worst case, you know what? Cyprus with the Jews is not a bad shot, you know. Let me buy the 3 PIs I told you about. I mean, 150 basically. I'll be honest, that level is so far away. I don't see price really reaching there today, but you can target it to short down to that level over like 1-2 days for sure, unless Trump does something stupid again. But all I would say is make sure you break even already. Make sure you've taken some parcels because the markets are mad at the moment. Bro, I requested 2 payouts from Lucid and they got approved in 5 minutes. Approved, yeah, but when did you get paid? Or did you mean you got paid in 5 minutes? If you got paid in 5 minutes, that's insane. That's actually wicked. So, next day, yeah, it's okay, I guess. I mean, funded next is the best for me, bro. They get approved and paid in an hour. That's insane. Like, approved and paid. Basically, they don't even approve it. They just pay it straight out. Like once it's been approved, it's paid like pretty much instantly. It's mad. It's insane. So the wait, it's the M30 zone. Yes, M30 zone. I would definitely short down to there. But as I said, I'd go break even, take partials in case Trump says something and then the dollar flies up even more. Or like drops a lot or something because he says something like, oh yeah, we're gonna make a deal, because everyone knows Trump's kind of panicking right now. So I do see Trump potentially coming out with a deal soon because he's getting absolutely cooked. So just be mindful of that. But yeah, I would say I think it's safer to target from where you said 162. What was it? 238, yeah, 6238. Honestly, I would be looking around 50-60 pip level, so around 50 to 60 pips for like some sort of profit taking. More like a bigger position. It depends how you take partials and stuff, innit? So many drama about funding next on Twitter, so many pairs being denied, so I don't know about them. Bro, remember, there's idiot traders, bro. Like, there's idiot traders everywhere who don't follow the rules and stuff. And they literally changed the rules not long ago, saying that if you've got more than 3% exposure, you're cooked. If you've got no SL, you're cooked. They said that rule like 2-3 months ago. And everyone, let me guess, no one looked at the rules. I bet you no one looked at the rules. I've got a feeling that's what the issue was, because you know how people are dumb, bro. People are dumb, innit? Going short again on eurusd if it comes to... Yes, I would consider it, yeah. I would consider going short again from that level. Or even like this high here, the 6-1, basically 1.16400 would be a good level, unless you got a big stop loss, like a 50-60 pip stop loss. Did you finish game Ghost of Tsushima? No, I haven't even started the storyline. I've just been freaking farming weapons and stuff. I streamed it earlier on, bro. Yesterday on YouTube. I streamed it yesterday. I'm gonna stream it again today, bro. The game's sick, man. Such a good game. Such a good game. But yeah, I would. You can go along again. If you got big enough, you should play the second game after that. Nah, because apparently it's very much similar with better graphics and stuff. So I think I messed up by getting this. But I think when I looked at Ghost of Yota, I think it's like 40 quid or something. So this one was like way cheaper. So I was like, you know what, I'll get this. But the games are amazing, 100%. Oh my god, the games are amazing. They should do like a modern day version of like Ghost of I don't know, Yakuza or something like that. Because those developers are wicked, bro. That game was so good, man. Honestly, so good of a game. Yeah, it probably is. Probably is. What happens in the end? Tell me, innit? What happens? Yeah, 1 to 3 is okay as long as you got big enough SL. But you can't just do 1 to 3 in this market without understanding what's going on. Like with me, I can because I only target intraday sessions, so it's not that bad. But you need to make sure that if you're targeting on a higher time frame, you need to understand the narrative of the market. You can't just be like, I'm gonna take a 1 to 3 because it always works. We're not in the market that always does what it always is supposed to do. If you get what I'm trying to say. This market right now is Lunju Punju market right now. Lunju Punju market. Spoiler, I don't mind spoilers. I'm not a faggot like most people. Like I don't mind. For me, all it is the game good or bad? If the ending's good, then I can't wait to see the ending. If it's bad, I'm gonna be like type thing. I don't get the whole spoilers. Those guys are like literally queers, bro. Are you that bothered about a spoiler? Like, listen, go work on your life. Go improve yourself, man. And you sat there talking about spoilers. Go improve yourself, you losers. I hope you're not like that. If you are, then I just cooked you. I'm sorry. So the end of the oh wallahi, you're a chut. You are a chut. You are a full-on chut. So 1 to 3 is fine, but as I said, market narrative. For me, EU at 1633, which is basically around that high level anyway. Going long on GU right now, 134460. We are getting signals in the chat. We are, but I don't trust Muhammad yet because I don't know how good of a trader he is. Because he asks a lot of novice questions still, so yet to be scrutinized. Yeah, these are all pretty much in a safe level. Let's look at UJ. Bring that over to Friday. Trust me, if I knew what I am doing, I won't be here. Exactly, that's what I'm trying to say in a nice way, innit? I'm trying to say it in a nice way. I didn't want to demotivate the guy, innit? You know what I'm saying? I want to like make him happy, yeah, keep him the motivation, but not slap him with the triple so hard he gives up on life. He'll be like, bye, Kia, bye. क्यों तुम मुझे की मारे चप्पल? क्यों? So yeah. Okay, UJ, now GJ is last on 30-minute time frame. Let's have a looky look. I'm gonna drag that over to Friday. That can go over to Wednesday, Thursday. That can stay. That's going over to the next day. This is going over to Friday. Right. Let's be honest. This high here. Don't see as how many pips is that away? 80 pips. We could possibly do that in New York session. Possibly. But I would prefer to look at that level and look at this level for the next day. Musakeen miss playing COD with Bashi. Really? Oh, cute guy, man. Have you guys still playing? Like, have you guys played or not? And if so, is the game still glitching out or is it alright now? I'm just waiting for a bloody trade, but I'm not getting anything, man. So just having to sit and wait. Oh, you delete? Yeah, I deleted it as well. And they fixed it now. Idiots. Customer idiots. I'll have to download it later again at some point, but probably after Ghost of Tsushima, man. I'm not gonna touch anything until I've completed that. And I'm gonna spend a lot of hours on that as well. Running around and stuff. Oh, you get to kill sooo in the game, you know. There's pigs running around here and you get to kill him. I'm so halal in the game, but I'm running around killing pigs. Soor, Okay, so wait. Mohammed said something. What did he say? Matter of fact, my win rate is 50% with 1 to 3, but the problem is I don't take most of my trades, so most of my trades that have low capital, not confidence enough in myself. Yeah, that's experience, bro. You know, trading is one of those things you have to have experience. You know, in a normal job, yeah, you can do interview and be like, yeah, bro, I'm really good. Yeah, I'm amazing, bro. Yeah. And you can like make it sound good. But in trading, you need experience, bro. And these problems are mainly a lack of experience. Ignore what Sahad says because he talks bullshit most of the time. Okay, he asked a question. That's why I thought he was talking bullshit. When you do re-download it though, let me know, innit? How long we got till GBP news? You got GBP news in 17 minutes, 1 year. Oh god, yeah, bro, you're still new, man. Trading, like, you know, for the average person to become profitable is 2 to 3 years. To become consistently profitable is, I think, 4 to 6 years is the average. So, yeah. Yeah, exactly. I mean, 1 year, bro. If you know what you're doing, bro. Like, as long as you know kind of what you're doing. You don't have to know everything because it's only 1 year. But as long as you kind of know. I started trading in April 2024. And I've had about 12-13 months on the charts. Because I took time off and stuff like that. But actual traded months, I think I've only traded about 4 or 5 months or 6 months, I think. No, more than that. I think I've had about 8 months of actual trades and about 4 or 5 months of like just crappy market conditions. I kept getting swerved and stuff like that. But I don't mind because it just made me patient. So I don't really mind. Markets are not really doing much, man. But Mohammed, you have to accept that it's going to take you at least 4 to 6 years to become consistently profitable. If you can't accept it, you're better off quitting now and getting a job, bro, or just setting up a business or something. You'll be better. That's not bad. I grew my personal account by 70% in 2 trades, but that's a very aggressive approach. I don't recommend that to everyone. My growth is quite aggressive, to be fair, because of my risk reward. Like on my personal account, just following data, with 1 trade I can almost double my account balance. So no, I can do like 100% growth on 1 trade. You have to fail in order to succeed. I disagree. I don't have to, but yeah, majority of people, unfortunately, they have to get slapped for them to learn. I tried to learn without getting slapped. But I know most people, yeah. I'm abnormal. I'm weird in the way I do things. I don't do things in a normal way. I do things in a weird way. Hey, 2 blown accounts is not bad. 2 blown accounts is not bad. Where's Amal? I wish Amal was here. Amal's blown at least 50 accounts. Haroon's blown more than 250,000 accounts. We had a guy from Yahya from Kurdistan. He's blown so many accounts, he single-handedly funds one of the prop firms. So we got some funny people here, bro, whose job is to literally give money to the prop firm. Like, they're keeping them in profit. So don't worry, bro. Don't worry. That's fine. It's just you can't expect like instant profits without giving time to the market. Yeah, exactly. Let me say it to you like this, yeah. You've got that mentality is the same as this. My mate's a millionaire, man. I want to be like him. So look, I want it today. I'm gonna do it today. He's gonna be like, oh, you're dumb. It's took me 5 years to become a millionaire, 10 years to become a millionaire, and then you're like, I'm gonna do it today. It's your biff goof. That's the same thing with trading. Because the money isn't the $1 million thing. The consistency is the $1 million thing. It's not the money, it's a consistency. Does that make sense? People want to go from not trading to become consistent. Is the same as being a broke person becoming a millionaire. The gap is so big. So you can't just jump into being a millionaire. It doesn't work like that. You have to work, get money, set up a business, let the business grow, expand the business, invest in the business, spend time, money, blood, sweat, then you become a millionaire. That's the same as a trader who doesn't know what they're doing when they started trading. They have to build a strategy, they have to build psychology, they have to build understanding, they have to build discipline, they have to build experience, they have to build data. And then they just have to give time to the market to then become profitable, to build more knowledge, more experience, more market intuition, to then become consistent. It's the same gap. That's already your problem, bro. Why are you looking at your cousin for? Are you your cousin? Don't look at other people. Don't look at other people. Delete social media traders. Don't look at what your cousin's doing, what your friend's doing, what other people are doing. They don't trade the way you trade. They might be following signals. They might be doing, I don't know, course selling, scamming. You don't know. If he's up and off from Pakistan, he's probably course selling, scamming. So don't be looking at where they get their money from, because it doesn't help you in your trading. You're the one doing the analysis. You're the one taking the trade. So don't look at other people, because that doesn't help you in any way. Like it's not gonna help. Yeah, he follows signals. Yeah, that's what I mean. So you know what I mean. It doesn't even matter. Exactly. Sahad is talking good stuff right now. Not only he's an idiot, but he's talking good stuff. I like the way I trade, but it's a double-edged sword. Low trade frequency, but very high risk reward. I like it. What it means is when you're in a trade, you're out in an hour or two and you're done. and then you sat chilling for the rest of the week or the month or the quarter. But you're only working for like an hour, hour and a half. I love it. No, you don't. Yes, I do. Haroon's here. So, Muhammad, this is Haroon, one of our friends. This guy has blown more than 100 accounts at least, but he doesn't want to admit it. Now you need to Skype stay on trust all day. And this is why he keeps blowing accounts. Haroon, meet Muhammad. Muhammad, meet Haroon. You're both Pakistani. Have fun. Haroon's in the UK. Muhammad's in Karachi. Actually, I've blown 11. Yeah, one more zero, bro, and you're basically there, innit? 100, innit? Haroon, the top customer focus keyword tackle. Haroon is a liquidity provider, bro. What do you mean? He's a liquidity provider. He's one of the bulk liquidity providers of Contequal. Nah, QT can F off, lols. Yeah, they're so bad, customer. I need to ring my bank, bro. They sent me a statement, yeah, for the credit card I was trying to get the statement for, and they said inside is your statements for the time you requested. There's nothing in there. Nothing. I was like, bro, I've had the card and I spent money on the card, so why? Well, I prayed for QT's downfall. That's funny, that is. Well, if you give good signals, you won't be liquidity. That's a you problem, not a me problem, bro. That's a you problem, not a me problem. Hey, nah, just waiting for the markets in it, bro. They're cooked. The markets are so cooked right now, bro. Everyone's getting shafted. So I was good for longs. I literally said I wanted longs. No entry whatsoever anywhere, because you've got this channel here that got swept there. That was an invalidation because then technically structured a supply zone, so you couldn't really get into there. Price took this level out, beautiful. I'm going to set an alert on here, because if we're going to reverse, there's a likelihood we'll get reverse from around this level here. That's going to be the only thing I can do now. I can't do much else, to be honest. Yeah, I can't really do much else. I'm going to have to wait now. GU, let's get rid of that. GU is coming down. GU is coming down. I would consider going long after it takes these lows now, or after New York low from yesterday. I think that'd be a nice level as well. But you see what I mean though, Mohammed, you shouldn't look at other people, man. Like, it's not gonna help you in any way, shape or form. So yeah, guys, do me a favor, hit like if you haven't. If you have, I appreciate you. I think, you know, once we get out of Trump markets and stuff, I think we'll be okay. We're just gonna have to suffer for a few months or a couple of years. Until then, we're cooked. I still need $80 to pass phase 1. Hurry up, bro. Haroon, relax, man. Kasme, what's wrong with you, bro? Chill, innit? So the guy gets the account the same day, takes 15 trades, yeah, and he's trying to pass. Chill, innit, man? What are you trying to do? You're trying to pass phase 1 so you can blow phase 2 ASAP or what? That's me, chill, innit, man? Hurry up, gold is shitty. Yeah, I know gold's really bad at the moment. And there's a lot of market manipulation by Trump as well, so you have to be really careful. Yeah, look, you're a tattoo. He wants to pass phase 1 so you can blow phase 2 ASAP. Market been great for me, but yeah, it's been rough. It has, yeah. But you're on indices, innit? You're on indices on oil and lower time frame. Oil is going to be great for longs, to be honest. Euro JPY.
minutes into a game.
Risk £5 on there, but that's 0.1%. Risk £5 on Euro JPY.
Composite forecast 52.8 on the prior 53.7. Manufacturing forecast 50 on the prior 51.7.
Use a lot size calculator. Or on MetaTrader 5, just open a trade and put your SL size in, and then just keep putting bigger positions until you match your risk in it. And then it'll tell you what the risk is, and then what the lot size for that risk is on MetaTrader 5. It depends how much you want to risk in it on the SL size and stuff. This guy. Rune, how old are you again? Did you say like 19 or something? Like 18 or 19 or something? We'll wait for a good setup. Keep waiting, bro. What do you mean wait for a good setup? You're a scalper. You just hit buy and sell. I'm in Bashi's signal group in Telegram, so I'm good. Why are you telling people, man? Customer, that's supposed to be secret. A nice setup will achieve that. Yeah. Why haven't you deleted the comment, man? Why you still got the comment there? Customer, this guy's baiting me out to everyone. Fuck Bashi signal, we probably won setup 6 months. But that one trade will probably be like a 50-60 or trade, yeah? So technically it works out to 10 or each month, which ain't bad, you know, still. Oh, it looks okay. Let me have a look. Let's push it up on it. Let's push it up. Mwangi wanted to sell from 44444 basically.
One minute, I'll be doing UK services PMI flash.
Oh, 1 minute for UK services. I like the idea of selling gold because we're seeing a resistance level forming. So I would like the idea of selling gold. 4419. 4419. I'd have said, yeah, 4415 to about 425. You could do that, or you could wait for Mwangi's, which is more like this. I would just say anything from... That's kind of valid. Can you just go
51
back
spot
to
2,
GJ?
51 spot 2, lower than forecast 52 spot 9. Composite 51, 51, lower than forecast 52 spot 8. Manufacturing 51 spot 4, 51 spot 4, higher than forecast 50.
So we missed on both of them, but we're still above 51, which is perfect. I don't mind that. The manufacturing was a big push from 50 to 51.4. It still might drop, but technically it's not that bad still, if you know what I mean. It's considered, all things considered, it's actually not that bad. Come on, UJ, take it. Take that level out and then give me a chance to potentially do a short. Unless wants to do Asia high bounce and go. Hard to say. No interesting news as of yet. And let me know, yeah, obviously I'll say in it. But you know, the markets, it might end up being like, oh yeah, we got set up guys, and then I get swerved. It's so bad, annoying. Ugh. Come on, UJ. You're the only one that's looking alright at the moment. You know, looking at EU and G, they have built up a massive channel. Like, they have built up a pretty big channel. I'll look at that. I'll probably copy and paste that over here, to be honest. Oh, nice try. Oh, Iran allows China to pass the Strait of Hormuz. Obviously, that was expected. They are their friends, aren't they? So, yup. For $99.99, I can give a signal. Alright, Yurimi, calm down. Yurimi, it sounds like Yurimi. Guys, I'm trying to be undine and stuff like that. I'm trying to be religious and stuff. Buy my course for 99, bro. Buy my course for 99, bro. I've got you guys. You joined the group. Yurimi, can you give me help? Left on red. Guys, I got a new perfume. Buy my perfume. Guys, I got new clothes. Buy my clothes. Hey, Joker. Yeah, 100%. Yeah, he's a proper queer, he is. I was in his Discord, innit? There's a glitch in it where people get in his Discord for free, and I got sent his Discord in and I hopped in. And I was like, that's all it is, yeah, is 16, 17, 18-year-olds, yeah, all roadmen, and he's just patterned them. He's fully manipulated all of them, bro. Fully manipulated all of them. It's hilarious, yeah. And the 1-2 people that make money, everyone's like, oh yeah, it's because Yerimi taught him. I don't know, bro. I mean, their analysis is very different to Yerimi a lot of the time. And once again, I don't see him taking any trades or anything. It's, I don't know. And he's best friends with Swaggy C. Apparently Swaggy C taught him how to trade. That guy's one of the biggest scammers in the universe. He's like Alex G level scammer. And I was like, yeah, his story don't make sense as well. I'm Yemeni, I was born in Saudi, but due to tough living conditions, he moved to London, and then I was living on benefits. Listen, why did you move to London from Saudi, bro, in the 90s? In the 90s, Saudi was booming, bro. Booming with job opportunities and stuff like that. And they left Saudi to come to UK, live in a council estate. That don't make no sense. That story does not add up. And he's done bare other stuff as well, bro, that just gives me like pure, like, he wants to be popular and he's willing to sell his soul for it type vibes. Like, he's done bare dodgy stuff, man. I hate them people. They wind me up a lot. I'm kind of glad I didn't start trading at 18 because I would have fell for all these clients as well. Oh my god, yeah. He manipulates them so hard, bro. He so hard manipulates them. Like, so hard. It's because they've got no sense of individuality or understanding in it. This is the issue with people. People are dumb. People are dumb. Just because someone claims to be a Muslim doesn't mean they're a good person, bro. Literally. Bare Muslims are knobheads. Bare are knobheads. We know bare who are knobheads. What's Price doing, man? After I cut the stream, I'm gonna brush my teeth, get some quick breakfast. I'm gonna come back on and then play more GOT. So Had, are you in any trades by the way, or have you taken any trades? Also, were you joking about the moving to India thing, or were you serious? Because I don't know if he's serious or not about that, or if he's just messing around. Iran allows safe passage for Chinese vessel through State of Hormuz. The Chinese-owned feeder container has become the first vessel with confirmed Chinese ownership that passed through the thingy. Yeah, bro, I'm telling you, America's gonna be pissed. America's gonna be pissed. Bro, America is gonna be so annoyed. Oh my god. Bro, Ras Al Khaimah's right near the port of Hormuz. So he's staying in Ras Al Khaimah. I was gonna go to Ras Al Khaimah, but I'm glad I'm not. And Muscat is a safe opportunity. Look how Muscat is. But honestly, Al Seeb, I want to go to Seeb. So basically, yeah, in this picture you can see the picture, and the ship's going towards Muscat, beyond the Gulf of Oman, and the city that I wanted to live in is called Seeb. It's basically like seafront in it, and it's not in Muscat, but you got a lot of wealthy people there. That's where I want to live, on the shore in it, bro. It's sick, man. I was looking at houses there, bro. I was looking at villas and stuff. Oh my god, they were nice. So nice. I can imagine it now, bro. Villa there, my Civic Turbo, my Evo. What's a German luxury car or an expensive luxury car I don't mind owning? I don't do most of these. Just performance cars is fine, bro. Okay, yeah, I haven't. I have the eurusd pump yesterday. Yeah, I'm serious about moving. I need to stay in Australia. I need to stay in Australia for 2 weeks because voting coming up. Then I'll go. Yeah. Do your vote and then dip. Wait, Sahad, have you got citizenship there? Have you got citizenship or not? Why don't you just move to like somewhere else in Australia? Like somewhere a bit more rural. Yeah, rural. Yeah, I'm a citizen. Just move to a more rural. I can't never say that word, bro. Rural. Move somewhere else where it's more quiet and peaceful. For fuck's sake. Nah, I had enough of Australia. My nephew in Melbourne, he's teaching them ends. Why? I thought it'd be better, bro. It has to be better than UK, man. At least you got good weather there, innit? And good weather is a big thing. Bro, I want to go to Brazil. I got a lot of Brazilian friends and they're bare chill, man. And the weather's really good in Brazil. And so what, the lady? Oi, the lady. What is going on with these markets? Already Kesho. I'm guessing that means see you tomorrow. Kaweri Kesho. Kwaheri Kesho. I'm guessing that means see you tomorrow. Be safe on the charts, Mangi. Yeah, you're right. I thought so. I don't know if my pronunciation was good though. My pronunciation felt cooked. I'm gonna give it another. I'm gonna stay till 10 o'clock. It's okay. Thank you, bro. Thank you. I'm gonna stay till 10 o'clock because I do want that UJ to take that high and then fail. I'll see you tomorrow, bro. Have a good one. So I'm gonna stick around for another 10-15 minutes. Hopefully we do see UJ pump up and then take that level. I like how Euro is looking right now. Euro is looking really good for a short. What's gold and stuff looking like? Have they still chopping in that range in it? Yeah, that's fine. Just leave gold to do what it wants to do. Get rid of drop this here. Damn it. And then 3 o'clock on this. Someone sent me a message on Instagram. No. Oh. Some random guy followed me. Don't care. Yeah, peace out, bro. As I said, I'm gonna stick around for another 12-13 minutes in case we get a move, and then I'll cut the stream, brush my teeth, have breakfast, and then I'll come back and then see if I can then probably stream Ghost into Shima. And I'll probably just keep the news open in the background or something as well. Rune is gonna probably stay here, I'm guessing. He's in dire need of that TP. Yeah, working same time. Yeah. Yeah, just only take a valid trade. Don't take a trade only looking for a quick bit of money, because that's where most people go wrong. Literally, that's where majority of people mess up. Oh my god, this is hilarious. Some Iranian person said, breaking news, Dubai has announced 40 days of mourning following the death of the OnlyFans CEO. One guy commented saying, another major blow to their economy. That's hilarious. And then one guy commented saying, damn, Dubai could not intercept this post.
And IEA's barrel to hold talks on Wednesday in Tokyo.
That is funny. That is so funny. Oh man, that's brilliant. Absolutely brilliant.
this is Donald J. Trump. You're behind the markets. If you're a real day trader, go real time at financialjuice.com/purchase and save 67% on a subscription. Isn't that one big, huge, brilliant deal? Come on, people.
Basically, what I just said was a big thing. What I just said was a big thing. So, a Chinese ship went through the Strait of Hormuz, which is the first one to go through, apparently, which is big news because it's gonna wind up America, obviously, because we already know America's not friends with China, because they're jealous of them. What else was there? Let me have a look. I need to keep an eye on the charts as well, man, but nothing's happening yet. That's me. What else is there? Oh, US launched missiles from Kuwait. They're gonna get slapped momentarily. They are gonna get slapped momentarily. Pipeline. Fine gas LPG carrier squeezing through the Strait of Hormuz. That carrier is gonna get slapped. Ryan Dawson, no. But there's a lot of people who pure tell you bullshit news, man. Customer. Iran uses new missile type in Tel Aviv today. It was a single missile carrying 3 to 4 bombs, each weighing 100 kg. Yo, that's the one that did all the damage. So they used a new missile type. Yes, Iran is carrying a single missile carried 3 to 4 bombs, each weighing 100 kg. That's big. They must know that the interceptors can't catch it. Israeli upset about being hit.
The buildings, all of them seem destroyed, but this is my building. Nothing stands of it. I was expecting to see pictures.
Israeli lost your house. Bro, the damage in Israel is bad. Oh my god. Oh, fui yo, big damage. This is pretty brilliant. Apparently, an oil facility in Texas got hit as well, yeah? And what I've just read is apparently Israeli telegrams are talking about the strike on American oil, and then today apparently there was a strike on American oil in Texas. I don't know if it's true or not, because this was whilst I was asleep, obviously. Beersheba being hit by Iranian missiles as well. Nothing new really. Oh, Israel launches attacks on gas station in Lebanon and there's big flames. You know, the issue that you have, bro, is, you know, because they're attacking all these gas and oil facilities, we're just killing the resources because they're not infinite, they're finite, innit? So it's just gonna make everything go more expensive because it's just literally burning oil and gas. Literally, they're burning it. What absolute dots. That was the entry for a short. If you're looking at shorts, but is 1 minute, probably wouldn't have made that entry. That's pretty much it, really. Not much more has happened. But the damage in Tel Aviv was brilliant. Oh, Philippines may be forced to ground planes due to lack of fuel thanks to Iran war. Why do they keep blaming Iran? It's the American-Israeli war. They keep blaming Iran. Let's make these Western pudus, man. I swear. They're pushing narrative so hard. Proper arseholes, I swear. Did they hit? Did who hit? I said quite a lot of stuff there. Did who hit where and when for what? Because I said a lot of stuff there. I just looked at the chat now and obviously I was reading the news in it. That's me, they're always, bro, like they're flipping blaming Iran for everything. They're not even blaming America or Israel. That's me. And then apparently I seen a statement, yeah, I don't know how true it is. UAE and Saudi are gonna join the war and support America. That's me. If they do that, wallahi, I want Iran to drop a nuke on Saudi, bro. Kill all of them, all the Saudis, bro. Because there's no protest, there's nothing. The people are saying nothing at all, they're doing nothing at all, yeah. And you have Makkah Medina in your own garden as well. The hypocrisy is on a different level. It's like king tier hypocrisy. Yeah, the missile hitting it. It's they've had big damages in Israel because of that new missile that they launched with the 100 kg bombs per bomb. That's one that landed and it's done big damage. And I don't know how many more new types they've got, because they did make a statement saying we're using old stockpiles and old weapons. We've got new stuff and new stuff and new stuff, which is brilliant. Big wax, bro, I swear. Israel's defense minister, Katz, he's an idiot. The military will control the remaining bridge and security zone up to Lebanon's Litani River. That's right. They've invaded Lebanon. They've taken the Golan Heights from Syria. They've invaded Palestine. They're attacking Iran. And UAE and Saudi thinks Iran's the enemy. Are you dumb? Are you dumb? And the people that they have, yeah, for the peace talk, Steve Witkoff and freaking Jared Kushner,
well,
they're pure Zionists.
In Saudi due to regional war.
Right, Harun, yeah, I can't seem to bloody find anything, and we're almost at we're at 10 now. Told you, dumb Arabs, all they know is money, blondies, and sucking off Trump. Yeah, of course, yeah. I've always been calling. I'm aggressive in my speech and on my political standpoint, but I've always been calling them Gaffer from day one. I've always been calling it, man. Can't seem to find anything, bro. Chinese-owned fuel tanker Bright Gold passes through the Strait of Hormuz using a route along the Iranian coast approved by Tehran. It travelled between Qasem and Larak Island and signalled its Chinese ownership. 2 Indian gas carriers also used the same route after Indian coordinated safe passage with Iran. There you go. Paid the money to Iran. They deserve the money after all the sanctions. And get your boats and stuff across and mind your own business. Done. Yeah, Hurune, bro, no trade, man. No trade, unfortunately. I tried here, but custom is not happening. Let's look at gold and silver. They're still not doing much. Was there a short? Tomorrow another day. Yeah, exactly, innit? The reason I'm not too bothered, bro, is because when I do win, it's going to be like a 10, 15, 20 odd trade. It's going to be a big win. So I'm not too bothered in it. Like when I win, I win big. So it's not that much of an issue. Gold, yeah. Buys are looking more valid, to be honest, you know, but I don't know at what point there's going to be a potential drop in it. Personally, I would have said around 450, 44.50ish. So after it takes Asia high, or 44.66. I want to see it take the Asia high or this structural high and then start to show rejection on the 1 minute time frame or something is what I would prefer. Let's have a quick look at everything else, indices and stuff. Let's clear them off. Where's silver? Let's do 69 on there again and delete inactive. Let's go here. VIX is still in the 26s, like high to mid 20s plus. Indices are 0. What's the Emirati? stock market looking. Whoa, Emirati stock market had a big move up here after. Wasn't that something to do with the statement that Trump made? Yeah, it was yesterday, wasn't it? Yeah, that was made to do the Trump thingy, which makes sense in the Emirati stock market. Obviously, it's gonna keep bleeding down. British gas is still expensive. God damn it, we're still up about 70%. Oil still up. Platinum, palladium up a little bit. Bitcoin 70. Let's have a look at Bitcoin. Yeah, it's typical Bitcoin before the S&P 500. Absolutely typical. Forex not really bothered about that. I'm just gonna go brush my teeth really quick and stuff. You might as well stay here if you want to. I'll leave the charts open because I suppose you can still hear, I guess. I'll be back in like 5-10 minutes. I'll just brush teeth and I'll probably grab some quick breakfast as well. Do you want me to put the... do you want me to find the live stream? Because I could probably find the live stream, you know, if you want to listen to that. No, there is no live stream. Nah, there isn't. I thought there might have been. Yeah, there's no live stream right now. Okay, I'll be back in 5 minutes. I'll just drop the links in the chat as well for anyone who might drop by or something. Yo, got people around right now, so I probably won't end up eating anything yet, but I'll brush my teeth and stuff. That feels much better. Right, I'm gonna cut the stream here, and then I'm gonna probably crack open the one for the game. Right, I'm cutting the stream now. I'm gonna open it again for the game. Peace out.